te amo, she says to me. I hear pain in her voice. And we dance underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, te amo. She put her hand around my waist. Don't know she cried, te amo. Told her run away. Let me go. I saw me to cry. I asked you why. I said, te amo. Somebody tell me what she said.
They sell it 1,000. This is Ghana. Beautiful. Wow, look at the mangoes, man. Wow, it's like a brick. Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I have no idea where we are though. Guys, I think we are around the Akosombo area, beautiful area. There's a lot of mangoes, there's beautiful scenery. Okay, we're 16 minutes away from BridgeView, Atimpoku. 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 We are currently in Pong. K-P-O-N-G, Pong. Here is the nearest town to Akosombo and Atimpoku. It's just almost like a Sogakofo where you stop. Like a lot of rest stops are here. You can buy, dokubi, abolo. Yeah, you can buy. What is it called? 1,000. You know, you can buy body, you can buy Kita schoolboys,
Which are
anchovies. Yeah, so you can buy all that here. So I'll probably be buying some dokubi, because you have to. Why not? So you're doing a road trip. So yeah, so guys, this is Ghana. We're going to BridgeView Resort, we? You rush here, so you just have to. I don't know where I'm going to stop at.
why are we stopping?
Chofi.
Oh, really?
Oh, shall we go?
No, let's go. We've got nice clothes. Can't we see? Wow.
They sell it 1,000. So yeah, that's what I was telling you guys. You saw them? Beautiful. The lady is carrying this on her head. Yeah, because we're going to eat nice food. We probably didn't get the doku beef, so, but I'll definitely be getting it on my way back. I don't know if you spot the 1,000, please do let me know because I spotted it. I don't know if you guys did. Yeah, because just driving and filming is not easy. Now we are in Atimpoku at the moment. Atimpoku. All right, so now let's find BridgeView. So I think this is Wood 10, or is it after this bridge or before the bridge? I don't know.
4 minutes.
Straight, yeah? Is it straight?
Lake, river, what is it?
It's a river, yeah. The biggest is a water river.
Okay, so it's the same one as Wales.
Yeah. Ours is Kita Lagoon. Akosombo is a water river, yeah.
Oh, she said something. Okay, well 1 minute and it's on the left. Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Turn left, then slide right.
She's saying turn left and turn right.
Well, guys, we finally in BridgeView. Look at the view. You can see the Atimpoku bridge, right? So beautiful. Well, we're going upstairs to enjoy some drinks and some pricey food. Hello, how are you? Hey, do you want to sit on the big chair?
Where do you want to sit? Sit there or we can sit down on that one. Right at the front.
Okay.
What do you think? I'm asking you.
Yeah, so it's this way, isn't it? That one.
At the front?
Yeah. Okay, I'll come there. Well, I want to show you something that you judge yourself, right? This is Ghana. Are you ready? Look at this. This is Ghana, man. Look at this. This islands everywhere. The bridge is there, and look behind me. These are gorgeous resorts, you know, BridgeView. I'm telling you, look, anybody that says Ghana is not beautiful, look, well, I don't need to tell you, the camera is telling you how beautiful is the country, guys. You can't fake this, right? You can't fake it. Look at this. Look at the view. It's banging, isn't it? Ah, look at that. So gorgeous. And then when you walk down here, beautiful state-of-the-art pool is also here. beautiful place like this, you have the premium beer, which is club beer. Jay is having virgin colada. Yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Oh my god, guys, guess where I am? I am in one of the most iconic hotels in Ghana. I'm in BridgeView Resort. Look at the view, look at where I am. Here you could literally come here, sit here and enjoy. You know, wait, let me show you something, right? Behind me, where the camera is sitting right now, there's a gorgeous view of the most beautiful bridge in the whole Ghana. Guys, is that an Adomi Bridge? So beautiful. I don't need to explain, I don't need to tell you. But look, let me tell you guys, look behind me, look at the island. I'm giving you a 360 now. Guys, get out there, explore Ghana. You know, I want to show you the authentic side of Ghana, the exotic side of Ghana. You know, where you can eat akplejoji. I feel akplejoji regular for 3 days. I feel for 3 days chili, akplejoji, jollof, you know. But Atimpoku, Atimpoku. Look at the view. It's so beautiful. It's so pristine. Palm trees everywhere. Water everywhere. People are jet skiing everywhere. Look, every corner I show you, there's a view. You know, even if I put a camera down here, there's a view of the beautiful Adomei Bridge just on my left side. It's gorgeous, guys. You can't ask for more, right? This is so beautiful, man. Do me a favor, come to BridgeView. This is the gorgeous BridgeView. I'm standing in front of you right now.